The Battle of Blenheim, fought on August 13, 1704, near the village of Blenheim in Bavaria, Germany, was a pivotal engagement in the War of the Spanish Succession. It pitted the Grand Alliance, led by the Duke of Marlborough for England and Prince Eugene of Savoy for the Holy Roman Empire, against the forces of King Louis XIV of France and his Bavarian ally, Elector Maximilian II. Marlborough's strategic brilliance and Eugene's tactical skill led to a decisive victory for the Grand Alliance. Despite being outnumbered, they launched a surprise attack on the Franco-Bavarian forces, exploiting weaknesses in their deployment. The battle raged for hours, with fierce fighting and heavy casualties on both sides. The turning point came when Marlborough ordered a flanking maneuver, breaking through the Franco-Bavarian lines and scattering their troops. The victory at Blenheim was a significant blow to Louis XIV's expansionist ambitions, weakening French power in Europe and strengthening the Grand Alliance's position. Blenheim is remembered as one of the greatest victories in British military history and solidified Marlborough's reputation as one of England's foremost generals. It reshaped the balance of power in Europe and paved the way for further successes for the Grand Alliance in the War of the Spanish Succession.